What's up, what's up? If you're trying to get this burgundy, smoky, luscious, beautiful eye, keep on watching. Hi everyone, it's me, Scoops, and thank you for coming back. Yes, you came back, thank you. Hi to my new subscribers. Hi old subscribers. Hello everyone. So, it's freaking spring and it feels amazeballs outside. I'm just living for it. So, anyways, I got a hold of this PatrickStarrr collection, his first one. I have the two palettes. I have the PatrickStarrr Glamour AF, and then I have the PatrickStarrr Go Getter. You get it? We're playing on words. We're playing on words. And I'm going to get into this Go Getter. Now you guys can already see my eyebrows are snatched. We getting into my setting powder. Of course I'm using cat vote. Can't talk today. When can I ever talk? Anyways, I'm going into this Kat Von D, setting my concealer. I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in a color chocolate. I'm giving you semi-natural vibes. Possibly. And then we're just going to put that on there and call it. That is clearly burgundy. Taking that burgundy, putting it on your lid. That's it. Don't put it nowhere else. Pack all that color as dark as you can. Pack it on that lid. And it's going to come through. Just pack. We're not worrying about blending right now. Yes, follow what the screen says. You're going to take a brush that has nothing on it and you're going to blend out those harsh lines, focusing on the top. Take this color right here, yes, and you're going to put it right on top, blending it out, blending that burgundy out on the top. Blend, yes. Going back into that burgundy, pack it on. It got lost in the sauce, but that's cool. Pack it in. I do realize I say a lot of things twice. Sue me. So at this moment I'm getting frustrated because it's just like it won't get dark. And I'm just like, I take this brush and I'm just trying to figure out like, okay, why isn't it getting darker? So that's what I'm using this brush for. Alright, so that little trick I did, I put some water right there because I noticed on the other eye it was darker because of my tears, because my eyes was watering. So if you want it to be super dark, that's what you do, and then pack on some more burgundy and then blend it out. taking a blank brush, yes, and blend, baby. Alright, well, and then I'm just packing on more burgundy. Ugh, smoky eyes make me look like Uncle Fester. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm taking this black liner. It's gel liner. It's Maybelline. I forget what it is, but it's bomb. I'm just going under my eyes with this little brush. Taking my lashes, put some glue on it, and then do this step because you wanna what do you want to do? You want to let it dry and then put it on your eyes. The trick to lashes is you want the lashes to be tacky. Come through, come on, better than sex. And then I'm just putting liner all the way to the end of my eye, not doing a smoky eye. Not a smoky eye, I'm not doing a wing. I see no purpose of a wing with a smoky eye. That's just me. And then with this mascara, I snatch my natural lashes and I snatch them into my falsies. Come on now, Ellery. And then I think it's cork on my lips. That brown liner. Yeah, I don't put lipstick on, lip gloss, anything. I don't put it on cute. Sorry. Come on now, serve me face. Yeah, yes, girl. Yeah, I irritate myself so bad. I'm so irritated. Oh my god. Putting some highlight on that brow bone. Come on now, come through. Push through. Come on now. And then drench that face with that MAC. Come on now. Now you. I shouldn't have. Don't put all that on. Look at me looking stupid. Come on now. I'm so silly. Alright, and this is the final look. If you learned anything, please share. If you haven't already done so, subscribe. You know, I'm talking about